Students, we have seen fourth lesson, no? So in this fourth lesson, next topic is determination of consumption function. Okay, here two factors are there. This factors divided by this factors divided by J.M. Keynes. What are the two factors mean? Subjective and then objective factors. Okay, subjective and the objective factor. First one, we are going to see the subjective factor. Subjective factor means what? There is a psychological, no, this subjective factor means our internal factor. Okay, subjective factors are the internal factor, because internal means our feeling, that means to psychological feeling only, no? So consumer, based on our feelings only we have to consume, no? So consumption determination, already we have seen what are the determination for demand and the consumption. Like this only here also we are going to see. So Keynes divided into two factor for consumption function. First one, subjective factors. Okay, within the subjective factors 8 motives are there. So we are going to see one by one. First one is the motive for precaution. The motive for precaution, already we know that precaution, the Keynes informed that liquidative preference, no? Within the liquidative preference, three motives are there. Within the three motives, one motive is precaution motive, no? Precaution means what? In our any unfortunate conditions, the people hold the amount in their hand. Okay, people keep the sum of the amount in their hand for what purposes? Precaution. For that means unforeseen conditions, unexpected expenditure. So for example, accident, sickness, in some other precautions also are there. Okay, so people keep their money in the hand means motive for precaution. Second one is the motive for foresight. Motives for foresight, the desire to provide. Motives for foresight means what? Future need. Okay, the people keep some of the amount in their bank. Okay, for what purposes means after 58 years. Okay, that means government retirement age, you know, and then private person also up to some of the age only they can able to work. So after some of the age they cannot work, so for their future need some of the amount put in the bank. That is called that motive for foresight. Okay, third one is the motive for calculation. Calculation means what? Some of them, like this person is for what the desire to enjoy the interest and appreciation. Some person like appreciation means what? Suppose in the family, okay, two boys are there, two child are there. One boy keep some of the amount always in savings. Some of the boys they have to do all the amount the expenditure. So like this, then elder boy, okay, always saving means the parents or any other family members, they are told, no, this boy always very not all do the expenditure or like this. Some of the parents also told, no, for this reason. Okay, that means appreciation. Yeah, have to get that appreciation purposes also. Some of the person not all do the more expenditures. That is called the calculation. Okay, so the desire to enjoy interest and appreciation. Some of the person know that interest. Okay, they not all do more expenditure because they have to interest for saving, and then appreciation. So get the appreciation from other person. He is a very good saving person, like this. Okay, so the motives for calculation. And then motive of improvement. The desire, we know the desire means already know, like enjoy for improving standard of living. Okay, so we have to do the expenditure for our comfortable life. Okay, wow. So improving our standard of life, we have to do the sum of the expenditure. That means we have to buy more consumption. And then motive of financial independence. Motive of financial independence means what? In a family, four members working, okay va? But in four member also give their income to one person, but here no financial independent, no. So some of the amount keep their hand for the financial independent, okay. Suppose anyone want to buy immediately means the always asking to any one person, so avoid this one financial independence. Some of the person keep their amount for that financial independence. And then motive for enterprises. Motive for enterprises means they have to do any sum of that business, okay va? They have to do any sum of the trade, that like also they have to consume more. And then motive for pride, that means desire to bequeath and fortune. That means in their future, okay, some of the person told, this is our grandparents asset, this is my father asset, like this their hide, okay. That means in Tamil வாரிசுக்காக சேர்த்து வைப்பாங்க இல்லையா? So that motives for pride, that reason they have to consume, or they have to consume the lot of land or house, like this they have to decide to bequeath and fortune for our pride, for their pride. And then motive for avarice, that means greed. Greed means what? In Tamil பேராசை அப்படிம்பாங்கள்ல, the motives of avarice, பேராசைக்காக some of the person consume more. So these are the psychology subjective matter for consumption function. Here keen some of the motive, precaution, foresight we have seen, no. And then the government, this is that individual, okay. So this is that individual motives for the consumption or savings. Here the government institution, okay, the government institution, and then corporation, the government institution, business, corporation, firms may consume mainly because for the following four motives. Up to 8, okay, listen here, up to 8, this is that individual, each and every person for what purpose they have to consume, what purpose they have to saving, this is that individual factors, okay, individual reason. Here the government, business, corporation, firms, for what purpose they have to consume, that only we are going to see now. First one is the motive for enterprises. Enterprises, they have to start any business, no. So obtain the resources of carry out the capital investment without incurrent debt, this is the important. The government or any other firms or any other individual person, they have to like started to the business without incurrent debt, okay, or no debt, without income they have to start any one business. So that reason in then sorry, now they are consumed, now they are savings, okay. So the motive for enterprises. And then the motive for liquidity. So liquid resources to emergencies and difficulties, some of the business person firms, they have to keep in their hand, okay, amount. And then motives are improvement, rising the income and demonstrate successful management. For these purposes, income, they have to increasing their income, like they have to improvement always, okay. And then the motive of financial prudence, the desire to ensure adequate financial, okay, the desire to ensure adequate financial. Adequate financial means provision against that depreciation, obsolescence, and to discharge debt. So they do not like always buying the debt, so without debt they have to continue their business, that's only they have to doing consumption or saving. According to Keynes, the subjective factor do not changes in the short run, okay. It's a subjective factor, we cannot change in short run, hence the consumption function remains at stable of short period, okay. So subjective factor we have seen, that individual, and then government, firm, household we have seen. Now objective factor, objective factors, okay. Then four objective factors are there, 8 objective factors are there. First one is Income distribution. Income distribution means what? Large disparity between rich and poor. We know very well the rich and poor people, they have to lot of difference between their income. Okay, so the consumption is low because the rich people have low property. Okay, the rich people have that low propensity to consume and high propensity to save, because see here, income distribution means what? We know very well the income distribution means that is the difference between rich and poor people a lot. Okay, but the consumption, the a high income group of people not all always do the consume. They have to do the some of the amount put in the saving. Okay, that's only the demand will be, that means consumption is very low because the rich person started to put in the money in saving. Okay, the community with more equal distribution of income tends to high proposed to consume. So the view has been corporated by VK, okay, R. V. Rai. This is income distribution. This idea told by that VK R. V. Rai. Okay. Next, price level. Price level, an important role in the determining consumption. Already we know that when the price fall, real income goes, people will consume more and propensity to save of the society also increase. We know already that the price increases means demand decreases, but here see, price level is an important role. Okay, because the determining the consumption function. When the price fall, real income goes up, people will consume more, and then propensity to save of the society also increases. Okay, so price level increasing means already then producer also produced more goods, that's only they have to give increasing income. Like this they have to get a huge income. Okay, so people will consume more, propensity to save society also increases. So they have to income increasing means consumption savings also increases. Next, wage level, like price. Okay, like price, wage also important factor for determining consumption function because it is a positive relation between wages and consumption. We know very well wage increasing means consumption increases. No, with the rise in wage, similar the effect with the regard windfall plans. Okay, so wages increases means consumption also increases. Next one is interest rate. Rate of interest play an important role in determining investment. Okay, then higher rate of investment will encourage the people to save. Okay, whenever we have to put that demand deposit to in our savings means the government, that means the bank provided high interest rate means immediately our people also encouraged to save more. Okay, so and then reduces consumption. So interest rate is highly due to the people by the bank means for saving account, immediately the consumption reduce, that is the income rate. And then fiscal policy, the government reduces the tax. Okay, fiscal policy means providing the tax only, so income rises and the propensity to consume also increases. The progress tax system increases propensity consumer of people by altering income distribution of favor of poor. So income distribution is favor of poor by the government. Okay, so government reduces the tax. Whenever the government reduces that tax means the price level also decreasing. No, so distribution of income increasing. Okay, that is the fiscal policy. Next one, consumer credit. Availability of consumer. Okay, easy to installment for increase a household to any consumer. Then automobile, fridge, computer, all the things. Then companies give that due, that means EMI. Okay, so consumer credit also created. And then demographic factor. Demographic means what? This family, then within the family, based on our family members, those who are so occupation affect the consumption function. Based on this only we have to consume the function. families with children. Okay, so college education only we have to spend more than spend for primary education. So in your family your child have to learn. Okay, so you have to do the expenditure is high than that primary. Okay, so that is the demography factor. And then Dusenberry hypothesis. Dusenberry also one of the economists. So he made that observation regarding the functioning affecting consumption. See here, he was a Dusenberry. So the consumption expenditure not only depend upon the current income, okay, but also the past income standard of living. So this income we not all use, so immediately we have to spend from our past saving. Okay, we have to spend our past saving. And then as the individual are assumed to the particular standard of living. Okay, so the another expend the same amount of the consumption. So the consumption expenditure depending not only the current income but also the past saving, because without income also we have to consume. And then consumption is influenced, consumption is in. So suppose neighbor buy lot of things means our aims also, okay va? The standard of low income groups influenced by the standard of living of high income groups. So in other words, people want to immediate consumption pattern of rich, so the result spending beyond their income level. Okay, so consumer be influenced by that demonstration method. So suppose we have to expect, we have to see the next or opposite house people, this much he have to buy, this much he have to buy, like this we have to expect, that is called the consumption influenced by administration. Next, windfall gain. Windfall gain means suddenly, okay, windfall gain means suddenly we can get. So, unexpected changes in the stock. Okay, so stock also unexpected changes. Losses tend to shift the consumption function upward, downward. Okay, so this is that windfall gain. Okay, wow. So, next topic you will see the next class. Thank you.